Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 21st of August and it's just after 9 o'clock. And we'll start with the AUD JPY. Oh, thanks for any likes or subscriptions, really appreciate them. I've got another 15 pairs that I'm looking at on the member center. So there you go. This is the AUD JPY. A little bit of weakness, a little bit of strength in the Japanese yen last night. We have a short divergence of 8.1 to 1 on the commitment of traders for this pair. Um, we're looking here. We did actually pop up at open of trading 10 o'clock on Sunday. We've had a little bit of a red candle down to about entry at the moment. So that's nice. I'm really pleased this has come back down. A little bit of an upturn there after a big swing down, and not to be unexpected. And now I think we're going to continue down here. We're below the 50 on the RSI. I'm going to move my trend line over here. There we go. We're just hopefully this will just continue on the way down. The pound New Zealand dollar hasn't really done a lot. We've got a divergence of 5.82 to 1 long for this pair. So this I think is going to be a pretty good long-term trade. We're still below the 50 on the RSI. We have actually been making moves up here. If you just put a trend line underneath, and there we go. So we're below the 20-day moving average. We have fallen down last week. So hopefully this will come back up. Well, I'm pretty sure it's going to come back up because we've got this divergence on the commitment of traders. Euro pound. I think this is going to be a great trade. We're still in this. We've had a couple of red candles up here. It seems to be topping out. We do have monthly turning point resistance just north of where we are at the moment. This is sort of back here. So that's at 91827 or thereabouts. It is fairly strong resistance. We have got 4 monthly long candles, and this is starting to, let's just get on a weekly chart. We're just below the 69.1 on the weekly chart, and on the daily we're just coming down to touch it. So we are looking for this to actually turn down this week. We'll see how we get on. USD Mexican peso, you're bored with me keep saying this. It's come up, it's bounced off this resistance here. A little bit of weakness on the dollar, but you know, I do believe this is going to break through, and I want the RSI to go above the 50. So I know a couple more weeks, see how that goes on. USD Japanese yen. We gapped up a little bit, or we moved up a little bit at open of business on Sunday, and it's come back down. Basically the same story as the AUD Japanese yen. This has been coming up and down onto this support here, and it really needs to break through that to confirm the move short. We're below the 50 on the RSI, and I really want it to move below this level. You know, it should do. It's already had a little pop up and it's come back down. You know, we'll see how it goes, but I think there's a lot of pressure on that to move short now. The USD CAD, we've got a nice little green candle this morning. I am looking for this to have support about where it is at the moment, and to come back up and break through this resistance, which is a monthly turning point just north of where we are. So that's the way I view that. and the New Zealand US dollar. We've had a little bit of strength in the New Zealand dollar, a little bit of weakness in the US dollar. So we have actually had a little bit of a pullback. This is a weekly turning point at 73,418. So we've just come in just underneath that. And I think now we're going to turn back down. We've gone fairly flat on the RSI and we are below the 50. So I'm looking for this now to come back down. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. As I say, we've got 15 more pairs that I'll look at on the website. It's let me just find it if I can. Yeah, forexforsteadyprofit.com. Okay, so in the members center there, we've got another 15 pairs that we look at. Okay, thank you all for watching and hopefully see you again tomorrow.